Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your screen dims while playing games on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start by opening up the search icon, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select the power options setting. Whatever plan is currently selected, you want to select change plan settings link that corresponds to it, and then select change advanced power settings. Scroll down, and then you want to expand display, and then where it says turn off display after, click on the drop down here a little bit again. There'll be a setting in here. Click in the drop down, and then versus settings minutes, you might want to bump it up or versus turn off display after. Maybe make it to 60 minutes or 120 minutes. You also have the option just to turn it off directly in here as well. But there may also be a setting in here depending on your computer that has enable adaptive brightness, and that's what's important. It would be underneath display. You'd want to turn both of them off. So turn it off for on battery as well as for plugged in. So you click on the on, there'd be a little drop down, and then you would set it to off, and then you would select apply and OK. And once you're done with that, you would close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go. Hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.